Hello, this is Chad with Tools and More Tools. Today I'm showcasing the Klein Tools 32596 HVAC 8-in-1 slide drive. The shank is about 3¼ inches, just a little shy of that. A hex head slide. And let me show you how this works. So, when the tip is towards the handle, it's 1/4 inch. And as you can see, it fits in there real good. It's magnetic, so it's not gonna fall out on you. And to do the 5/16 inch, you push the head away from the handle. So you pull on it, and that's now 5/16. So you can put in 5/16 and it has the same magnetic head. Well, so this doesn't slip on you, it has a lock where it's a threaded lock and you just spin it up so that the head can't move back on you and go to the 1/4 inch. So now it's locked in 5/16. Let me just show you. So 1/4 inch. Or 5/16, up, down, 1/4, and you can see how that works. Pretty neat. So other features of this are, now we pull out the shaft. It has a Schrader valve tool for installation and removal. Flip that around. It's got a 1/8 inch slotted screwdriver bit. And if we pull this out, flip it around, stick it in there, we've got a Phillips and a 1/4 inch slotted screwdriver bit. This actually has a 3/8 inch nut driver in the shaft and a 1/4 inch. Let me just show you that. So this is the 1/4 inch. That's a pretty small nut, but as you can see, it fits in there. Pretty cool. You take that out, and now you can access the 3/8 inch. As you can see. Every HVAC professional should have this tool in their pouch. It has a comfortable grip, and then on the top they've put HVAC 8-in-1 on the top of the handle. Just as a comparison, let me show you the other slide drive. So this one has a 6-inch shank. This one has a 1/4 inch shank. None of the 6-inch and the 1/4 inch don't do anything else. They are just hex only. And I have some other videos showcasing those. Otherwise, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and tomorrow we will showcase another tool.